Ever seen a Florida man attempt grace at a serene cat cafe? Meet Joe, who, in his quest to impress, purchased an expensive cat toy for the venue. But fate had other plans. As Joe strutted confidently, a mischievous feline decided to hilariously cling onto the dangling toy, causing Joe to lose his balance and plunge into a sea of startled, yet amused onlookers. With coffee cups flying and cats scattering, the unexpected chaos became an instant karma moment, turning Joe into the unwitting hero of the day. The entire cafe erupted in laughter, a hilarious reminder of life's spontaneous absurdities.